Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have very excited unboxing video, and as you can see, it's Louis Vuitton. So Louis Vuitton is one of my favorite luxury designer brands, and I just purchased yesterday one item from Louis Vuitton store boutique. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, so they usually give you this beautiful box, all these blue handles, so cute. Okay, and this is the item, and they put it all this bow here, so adorable. And this is the envelope with the receipt and everything like this. Okay, let's open this one and see what's inside. Okay, so this is a boxes, usually like all Louis Vuitton boxes. It opens, it's magnetic box, and it opens like a flipper, and here it is. So I don't want to ruin all this paper, so I'm just gonna slip it like this. And this is the item. Probably you already know what the item is because it's in the description. So this is toiletry pouch 26 that I was looking like for a while now, and it's always sold out in the stores. It's never available on Louis Vuitton website. It's like always sold out. So, and I was lucky enough to find this one day before yesterday. So basically, let me tell you how it was. I wanted this one so badly, but it's never available, and I decided to buy just big one, cosmetic pouch, like GM cosmetic pouch. That's big, the bigger one. So it was in the same like monogram pattern, and I got this one online, and then I stopped by store to pick it up. I found out they have this one. Actually, it was like the last one, so I took this one and exchanged it to the previous one. So because this one, this like the shape of this one I like more than this like classic cosmetic bag. So let's take a look how it gonna look inside. So this is a classic dust bag like all Louis Vuitton has, you know, this cute material. Okay, so let's see, and this is it. This is a perfect shape and perfect size, because I know they have 19 and I guess the smaller one, but this one is like the best of all of them. Okay, they have a little bit vachetta here. So, and my one is made in France, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France here it says. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so inside there is some paper. So the name of this one, so pouch toiletry 26 monogram, it says here, and there is coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. Okay, little paper, and this is how it look inside. It's just plain. So it says cowhide leather trim. So, but this one I guess leather, or it's a canvas as well. So basically it's just one big pocket. So what I'm gonna do with this one, I'm not gonna use it as a cosmetic bag or toiletry pouch because I have a lot of them, and I do really want to use it as a crossbody bag, as I saw like thousands of videos how people make this happen. They just buy this special insert inside and some strap, like some chain or something, and that's it. It's gonna work just perfect as a crossbody for me because it's perfect size. It's even bigger than, for example, my crossbody from Burberry. It's, yeah, it's a little bit bigger here, as you can see, just a little bit, but it's much longer here. And even though this one is fit everything what I need, so basically this one is gonna be even better. Okay, so Also, what I want to mention, I was super lucky because the day I bought this one, I had no idea that Louis Vuitton is going to increase the prices in the stores. And so when I bought this one, I paid $5.20 as it's like was regular price for this one. And the next day, prices hit all the stores, increased prices hit all the stores. So, and it was next day already $5.75, I guess. $5.75, yes, $5.75. So basically it's I got it $5.20, now it's $5.60 or $5.70, so it's $50 increase at least. So it's crazy because I also wondering about to buy this cosmetic pouch, but small one in azure, and it's already like $75 more expensive than it was like a couple days before. So at least I got this one for like cheaper price than it's now, and I so much like it, and I'm super satisfied with this beautiful pouch. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe below to watch more video that I post. I post a lot of videos about bags, accessories, luxury bags, accessories, and a lot of about clothing, especially when I try on kids designer clothing for myself. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.